as promised, here's the function test, the shoot test on my Franken-Rifle. I'm going to try it with a variety of different magazines. Right now I've got this D60 mag pull in here. I've never had any trouble out of these things, not to be confused with that piece of shit beta mag thing that they came out with years ago. Anyway, here we go. Try to do this one-handed because I'm not very good with a goddamn camera. No issues. I'm going to put a couple hundred rounds through her and see how she goes. But so far, so good.